Starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright, Mustang 4, pushing from that top. We have rockets on the robot.
Nice job!
Getting some green cubes on the rocket. Rocket socket robots, going to grab some more green cubes.
Nice job, Alex!
As we get down to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. As we get to 25 seconds, you must now switch drivers if you have it. We've got rocket socket robots getting a green cube up into that high goal. Their teammate trying to get one more green for that unicorn gold bonus. As we get down to the last 5 seconds, we'll see if anyone can cross that lane. That's time ends. All right, Q24 here on the opportunity.